Major change could affect the sleeping patterns of millions of Americans.
The FDA thinks sleeping pills are too strong. They want to make them weaker. Anna Koyman explains why.
If you have issues sleeping, a new effort by the Food and Drug Administration could leave you tossing and turning. In an attempt to stem the misuse of prescription sleeping pills, the agency is now ordering drug makers to lower dosages of the drugs.
For a lot of patients, it's becoming a little addictive, and they rely on Ambien constantly now to go to sleep.
According to the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, about 70 million Americans suffer from chronic sleep problems. Last year alone, doctors issued close to 40 million prescriptions for sleep-inducing drugs like Ambien. And while the meds are said to be non-habit forming, their lingering effects could affect your alertness.
We see a lot of people that have gotten themselves in automobile accidents where they are driving, and again, they lose that cognitive connection with their driving skills.
Research shows morning drowsiness can interfere with driving, increasing the risk of car accidents. The FDA now says a key ingredient in the pills, zolpidem, stays in women's bodies longer. They're ordering drug makers to cut doses of regular pills in half to 5 milligrams for women and suggest doctors consider lower dosages for men as well. The FDA has received a number of reports of car accidents connected to zolpidem over the years, but it's not known how big a role sleeping pills played in the incidents. For now, though, they say patients should continue taking their currently prescribed dose until they can talk to their doctor about the best way to proceed. Meantime, the DEA is now pushing for tighter restrictions on the nation's most widely used drug, the painkiller Vicodin. They're hoping the FDA will put these drugs in a different category, which could make them harder to get and abuse. In New York, Anna Koyman, Fox News.
A dense fog advisory set to start soon. We'll have the forecast coming up.
Oh, and your body aches, you don't want to move, you're in pain.